No. No! Please! Where am I? What is this place? What was that thing?
Follow the thing.
May follow the thing. Ano ka ba?
Te, alam mo nung ano, ipa-follow the thing mo pa.
Nung follow the thing.
What is happening? Why is this happening to me?
Wag kayo lumayo. Dito lang kayo sa amin. Mga anak.
Huwag niyo ko iwan.
Basement.
Wala man nagulat eh.
I'm back? At the basement? But it doesn't make any sense. I don't understand. What is happening? Are those police tapes? What happened here? Something's wrong. This radio wasn't here before.
Feeling ko may crime na nangyari dito.
Recently, there was a brutal family killing. The brutal killing took place while the family was gathered at home on a Saturday afternoon. The girl heard screams and immediately called the police, saying while she was upstairs, she heard stabs and everyone downstairs screaming. After a while, when the police arrived at the place, the parents of the girl were found already dead on the basement. Her dad was hanging from the ceiling and her mother was found dead on the floor with a lot of stabs, while she was found passed out in a bedroom with a stab in her stomach. While the other person's parents that were with them were nowhere to be found, the murderer seemed to got away. The girl's name was Sophie. The police are still investigating this crime.
What? What? A murderer?
Feeling ko ito yung murder. Tikit-tikit.
Sophie, is that you? Is that? Oh my god.
Ready na ako.
Ready na ako.
Sabi na kung floating tayo, zero gravity ang attack.
What is happening? This can't be real. Was Sophie and my parents' death really? I need to find out more.
Saan tayo?
Ano ba to?
Dito.
Follow the thing. Nakita. Atras. Ano yung mga dugot?
May tao doon.
Hi, Sophie. Sophie, halika dito. Charot. Charot. Ay. Ano? Ate, ginagawa ko dyan. Di pwede yan. Ate, Sophie, ano ginagawa mo dyan? Parang iba yan, ah. Parang, ate, saan ka nakahawa ka? Ayan. Ginagawa mo dyan? Ayan. Kakaiba na yan, Sophie.
Sophie? Is that you?
Sophie Banghe. Walis na ako.
Wait, something is not right. This wasn't Sophie. Her eyes were black. It's as if something was taking control of her. I must find her.
Sophie kasi
Quickly.
Hindi ka kasi naliligo, Sophie. Yung tuloy sinapian ka tuloy.
Sino ba sinapian? Si Sophie?
Kasi naliligo. Ayoko na magka. Sophie, halika dito.
Nandito naman si Fernando.
Oy, Chris naman. Oy, Chris, mauna ka naman.
Kaya ng flashlight.
Ikaw naman. Lagi lang kami. Isip na. Yan. Ayan. Kaiba yan. Ayan. Tuon ba tayo dito?
A gap. Maybe I can squeeze through.
Parang may pa-squeeze. Ay, wala, may jumpscare yun. Feel ko andito si ano, may jumpscare. Alam mo, nasa gilid pa, nasa tapat na wall. Get ready guys, may jumpscare yan. Hindi pa. Ano to?
Instructions?
Instruction place the balls. When a ball is placed along the lever from the target, pull the lever when the game is in close range from the ceiling. Kill the
Pull the lever when the name. Naglagay tayo ng bulb. Kapag nalagay na lang din yung bulb, switch natin. Kapag na-switch, may panike.
What is this?
Okay, let's go.
Is this some kind of puzzle?
kind of puzzle. Patalinuhan pala to guys. Shift or RT use print. Oh, hindi ko papasa. May mga habol dito. May mga habol dito. May sprint daw.
Uy, ano?
Uy, paano mauulit yung instruction?
Ay, si Fernan, parang...
Paano gumanan, Fernan?
Hindi.
Hindi, wala na. Namatay na ako.
Nag-respawn.
Uy, paano ba
Makapag-ilan kayo pag ano, pag may... nag-revive ka, Johnny?
Hindi.
Ah, kaya habol natin sa loob.
Oo.
Kaya kailangan natin bilisan. Hindi, baka pag may natin, nagat lang tayo.
Mag-flashlight kayo, mag-flashlight kayo.
Pag nagganto tayo, hindi niya tayo makikita.
Ano, paano maganan? Paano maganan?
Wala ka ba?
Computer
Ay,
of...
nasa PC ka, di ba?
Oo. Hindi ko alam kung paano.
Ganto kasi sa tingnan mo sa TV. Ganto yung sa amin. Check mo yung PC mo, baka may nakalagay dyan ng mga ano, may naka-indicate letter E or crouch, gano'n. Check.
Wala.
Eh?
Letter lang eh.
Check mo. Try mo check ng different keyboard. Try mo W, try mo E. Crouch. I mean, try mo E, try mo... Basta kung ano-ano, i-try mo. Yan!
Okay.
Try mo yung pouch. Ay, yung run. Hanapin mo yung run.
Shift.
Ay, shift. Oo.
Okay na.
Yan, okay na. O, ngayon, ikaw muna. Sige, Chicken Joy. Crouch na. O, ano, walang umuna? Ako na. Uy, ano ba? Pumasok naman kayo.
May ilaw ba kayo?
Pala. Sharing screen na lang ako.
Uy, gago. Ayan na. Nakikita ko.
Ayan ba yun? Maglilid na ako ng 12. Basta, Ano, papatayin ka pa din kahit nagka-crouch ka.
Yan, di na ako makabalik sa dati.
Oh, kayo na lang. Kayo mauna. Try niyo muna. Saan tayo?
Siya pwede magtago.
Sabi light bulb. I-grab niyo, i-grab niyo. Ala. Ay! Ay, napatay ako. Patay ba pala dito? Janice!
Buhay.
Taray, buhay! Gagadyan siya. Ay, ay, ay! Kaya na siya pwede lumabas dyan. Diyos ko po, aatakihin ako, te. Mamaya ka lumabas pag nakalayo-layo siya. Janice. Kaya mo na yan. Lagyan mo na lang yung light bulb dun sa ano ha.
Saan
Ano yan? Ay, i-distract na lang natin para makapag-ano si Janice. Pero nandito ka, i-distract natin. Sabay. Hanapin mo Janice yung ano.
Kaya ako.
Hanapin mo Janice.
Uy, kauna-una ka
Hanapin mo
nga.
Janice mamaya yung ano. Hanapin mo mamaya yung...
Uy, kauna-unahan nga ako yung namatay eh.
Nasa yung light bulb.
Nasa akin.
May flashlight ba? Ano namin? Hindi nga, parang hindi ko na ba flashlight. I-distract namin mamaya para mahanap mo yung ano.
Nakapasok na si Fernan.
Uy, huwag na ko iwan. Natakot. Pero time na yan, kunin mo yung light bulb tapos itikit mo na agad para tapos na. Kumakan niyo ako dito. Dito na lang ako mag-wait. Oh, Diyos!